Hi guys, I had a few of you reach out to me not remembering how to do the Turtlehead method, and I know we don't have our notebooks with us, so hopefully this will help remind you on how to do this. I recommend getting out a piece of paper and following along with me, because it's great to hear things, it's great to see things, but it's even better if we actually do it ourselves. It'll help us remember it more. So the cool thing about me being on video is you can stop me and pause me whenever you want. So if I'm going too fast, you just pause and give yourself time to catch up. And you can rewind and you can watch this as many times as you like, which is pretty cool. So the problem that we're going to do is 27 times 65. So if you need to pause me, write that down, and then we're going to go through the steps. So our first step is draw the turtle head. And hopefully you remember where. That's my turtle. It's pretty cute, right? So that's your first step. Draw the turtle head. Very simple. Your second step, if you remember, hopefully you remember, is multiply by the neck. So what number is in our neck? The 5. The 5 is in our neck. So we're going to do 5 times 7 and 5 times 2. Okay? So if we do that really quickly in our heads, what's 5 times 7? 35. And then what's 5 times 2? 10 plus 3, which is 13. So that's steps 1 and 2. Remember, if you need to pause me, pause me. The next step, step 3 includes 3 steps. Step 3 is 3 steps. So step 1 is check off carried numbers. The carried numbers are the numbers that we put on top, right? 5 times 7 is not 5, it's 35. We make sure we put the 5 in the ones place and the 3 over in the tens place. So we're going to check it off. We used it, forget about it, we don't need it anymore. The second thing is we're going to draw a collar. Remember our turtle? We're going to draw this cool little collar. I don't know. He's got diamonds on his collar. That just tells us we're done with the 5. We don't need the 5 anymore. Forget about the 5. And then our third little step, you probably remember, lay an egg. So we need to remember, now that we're done with our 5, which is in the ones place, we're going to drop an egg down. Right? That's our 0. We need to always remember to lay our egg before we move on. And then our step 4 is multiply by other number. So we already multiplied by our number in our neck. Now we're going to multiply by our other number, which is 6. I like to draw arrows. It helps me. 6 times 7 is 42. And then we go 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 4 is 16. So remember, it's like why we check off the carried number, so we remember not to use that one. And then our final step, and I don't know if you can see this, is add. So now we're going to add these numbers. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1. So that is our answer, 1,755. If I went too fast, hopefully you paused me. You can rewind, you can go back, and then I will take a picture of this and I'll put it into our Google Classroom so you can refer to it. And hopefully that helped you guys.